A recent development in the world of cryptocurrency has introduced an innovative feature to the Telegram messaging platform. The introduction of a Telegram wallet bot has made it possible to conduct in-app payments using Bitcoin, USDT, Tether, and TON, Telegram Open Network, tokens. This article explores the implications of this advancement, highlighting the convenience and potential impact it brings to Telegram users. Telegram Wallet Bot, simplifying in-app payments. The Telegram Wallet Bot acts as a bridge between Telegram users and the world of cryptocurrencies. By integrating this feature into the popular messaging platform, users can now conveniently send and receive Bitcoin, USDT, and TON without leaving the Telegram app. This streamlined process eliminates the need for external wallets or additional platforms, enhancing the overall user experience. Enhanced convenience and user experience. With the Telegram Wallet Bot, users can seamlessly make payments and transactions within their existing Telegram conversations. This simplicity eliminates the need to switch between different apps or interfaces, allowing for faster and more efficient payments. Whether it's splitting bills, settling debts, or engaging in peer-to-peer transactions, users can enjoy the benefits of digital currencies without leaving their preferred messaging platform. Expanded reach and accessibility. By integrating cryptocurrency payments into Telegram, this advancement has the potential to introduce a vast user base to the world of digital currencies. Telegram boasts millions of active users globally, and by simplifying the process of sending and receiving cryptocurrencies, it opens doors for wider adoption. This expansion may facilitate the mainstream acceptance and usage of digital currencies as a medium of exchange. Increased security and privacy. Security and privacy are vital considerations when it comes to digital transactions. The Telegram Wallet Bot employs robust encryption protocols and follows Telegram's strict privacy policies, ensuring that users' sensitive information remains protected. This focus on security provides peace of mind for users engaging in cryptocurrency transactions within the Telegram ecosystem. Potential impact on the crypto landscape. The integration of cryptocurrency payments within Telegram has the potential to impact the crypto landscape in multiple ways. Firstly, it may contribute to the increased adoption of cryptocurrencies, as more individuals become familiar with the concept and experience the ease of in-app payments. Additionally, this integration could potentially drive the development of other messaging platforms and social media networks to incorporate cryptocurrency functionalities. Conclusion. The introduction of the Telegram Wallet Bot represents an exciting development in the cryptocurrency space, offering Telegram users the ability to conduct in-app payments with Bitcoin, USDT, and TON tokens. This advancement enhances convenience, accessibility, and security while potentially fostering wider cryptocurrency adoption. As the world of digital currencies continues to evolve, integrations like this highlight the ever-expanding possibilities and applications of cryptocurrencies in our daily lives.